Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Rahim Nahim. I'm here to show you the Scout 175 Sportfish. This boat came equipped with the upgraded 115 Mercury 4-stroke engine, gives it a lot of power. Great little offshore boat. If you want to get offshore, go fishing for a little mahi, it can handle the chop very well. This boat came equipped with bimini top, your Fusion radio. It has JL audio speakers, dual captain chairs. Let's go towards the bow. This boat we equipped with a bow cushion, igloo cooler seating. Great little setup. You want to get out to the bay, to the local sandbar, we highly recommend this model. Please visit us at MarineMax.com and look at Scout 175 Sportfish for more details, or come on by and visit us at MarineMax Miami. Thank you. Have a good day.